The Fantang Outdoor Faucet Freeze Protection Set provides a complete kit with brass freeze drippers, hose splitters, 10 spare washers so you can outfit multiple outdoor faucets at once. Its brass construction feels solid and resists corrosion, giving these freeze protection valves a reassuringly long service life in harsh winter conditions. The intelligent antifreeze design automatically reacts to dropping water temperatures, gradually increasing flow as it nears freezing to keep pipes from icing up. Once the water warms above the danger point, the valve closes again on its own, so you are not wasting water or constantly adjusting settings by hand. The included two-way Y-shaped splitter with individual shutoff valves lets you run both a garden hose and the antifreeze dripper from the same 3/4-inch faucet without constant reconnecting. Compared with bulky insulating covers, this setup offers more consistent freeze protection, helps avoid costly faucet repairs, and is convenient for courtyards, gardens, farms, and similar outdoor spaces.